All right, everyone, congratulations and welcome to step number 2. In this video, what I'm going to be walking you through is how to actually copy and set up your supercharged success system. Now, as I explained in video number 1 inside of the income multiplier, this system is 100% done for you. You don't have to go out there and film the videos. I've already done that. You don't have to create the email follow-up. I've done that. You don't have to go out there and find the income streams and, create the system, create the sales copy, create everything. This is already done. All you have to do is follow these 4 simple steps, right? Below this video, there's going to be a button where you can copy this system. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your affiliate links so that you can start getting paid. And I'm also going to show you in video number 3 how to set up your done-for-you email follow-up campaign. You don't have to create the emails. I already have them preloaded into Aweber. All you have to do is plug in a simple code and change out the affiliate links, and you can be set up in no time. So there is a little bit of grunt work that needs to be done, but as I said, you don't have to film any videos. You don't have to get in front of a camera or learn what needs to be said in order to actually train people. I've already done that for you. All you have to do is follow along with me and set everything up. So let's get into it. Let's get started. What you want to do is you want to click on below this video, you want to click on copy this done for you system. Now, what's going to happen if you are not a ClickFunnels member, right? Let me just open this in an incognito tab so you can see. What's going to happen is it's going to say this person, it could be me, it could be somebody else, is trying to share a funnel with you. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this video. So as you guys see here, if we scroll to the bottom, let me just find it. It's going to say the Supercharged Success System, right? And it's going to say you can get a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels through this link. All right, so it's going to show you here everything that you're going to get when you get your ClickFunnels 14-day free trial. And so what I want you to do is, if you haven't already, go ahead, get your free 14-day trial. Then what's going to happen is you're going to get into your ClickFunnels back office. So let me just refresh this dashboard for you guys. So as you can see here, you're going to log in. It should look a little something like this. Might be a little bit different for you, but what you want to do is you want to click on ClickFunnels, and then you want to go to Browse Funnels. Now, what should happen is inside of this area, you should see the Supercharged Success System. Now, if we go ahead and we click on the Supercharged Success System, yours will look exactly the same as mine, except your links will look different. They will have your ClickFunnels username, and they might even have some numbers on the back of your links. So what you want to do straight away, you want to go ahead and click on Settings, and you want to actually edit this funnel. Okay, so where it says copy of Supercharged Success System, you want to change that, and you want your system to look the same as mine, right? You see how there's no numbers on the end of my links or anything like that. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll to the bottom and you want to click on Save and Update. So you want to go ahead and you want to do that for every single page inside of the system. So we're going to click on the Success System, and then you want to make sure you go under Publishing, right? Publishing is going to edit the name of the funnel. So as you see here where it says Success System, right? As you see right here, it says Success System. So if I were to change this, it would again change this title right here. And now as you see where it says Supercharged Success System Opt-in, right? Yours might have numbers on the end of it, so you want to delete those numbers. You want to make it nice and clean, and you want to update the funnel step. Okay, then you want to go over to Income Multiplier, And like I said, you want to do this for every single page. There's only 5 pages in here, but you want to make sure that all of these links are nice and clean. So again, go under publishing, right? If I'm going too fast for you guys, pause the video, go ahead, do that, and then continue back with me, and we'll continue on to the next step, because there is a couple steps that I want you guys to follow along with so that you can set up your system properly. So once you've edited your links, so they're nice and clean and they look very neat and tidy, what I want you to do is I want you to open up your notepad. Remember, in the income multiplier step, we set up a notepad. What I want you to do is I want you to make a couple spaces, and then I want you to put opt-in, okay, 2 spaces, step 1, 2 spaces, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Okay, now the reason we're doing this is because we want to gather our system links. Okay, we want to have these links very accessible so that whenever we want to use them, they're right here. We can just open up this notepad and we can grab those links. So I'm going to actually, drop this down. I'm going to make an affiliate, or I'm going to make MCA, right? Because this is my MCA link, and we're going to do the same. We're going to do a share link, right? Because we want our system share link, and then we're going to do our Aweber link and our Udemy link. All right. So we have all of those, and we're going to name this Supercharged Success System. Okay, guys? So I want you to go ahead, make sure your notepad looks exactly like this, and then we're going to start gathering these links, because inside of the systems, if you look above this video, there is the navigation bar. Okay, so you're going to have to put in your system links inside of these buttons. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple, but you want to make sure you do that so that people are going, when they're clicking these buttons, right, as you guys see, it's going to take me over to the email follow-up page. You don't want them going to my email follow-up page. You want them going to your email follow-up page. So I'm going to show you how to change out those links. So first off, we want to grab our opt-in page. So right here, this is going to be our page link. Okay, so we're going to double click on that. We're going to copy it. We're going to open up our notepad, and we're going to go down to opt-in. Okay, so we're going to paste in that link. We're going to delete that little box, and then we want to do the same for step number 1. So step number 1 is the income multiplier, right? We're going to double click on that, and you want to do this again for every single step inside of the system. Okay, so now that we've gathered all of our links for our system, what we want to do is, before we start editing our page, we want to actually set up our share links. So what you want to do is you want to go under settings, and this is going to give you the share link for your system. Okay, so right here, this is my share link. You're going to want to copy this because it's going to be your share link. And this is going to allow you to actually earn commissions when people sign up, or when people copy the system through your link. All right, so that is going to be our share link. Now, if you want to make it nice and easy, you can right click and make all of these links clickable, so it's nice and easy to copy them. So now that we have all of that set up, what we want to do is we want to go into income multiplier, because this is going to be the first step that we want to do. In this video, we're going to be editing step number 2. We're going to put in our MCA affiliate link, and in step number 2, I'm going to put in our share funnel affiliate link as well. So what you want to do is you want to click on edit page. Now, as you guys see here, every single page is going to look the exact same. The only thing that you guys are going to need to edit is you're going to want to change the green buttons. Now every page is going to have a green button. You don't want to focus on the blue button. The blue button you can leave the same. That is access to our private Facebook group. So you don't have to worry about editing that. You can leave that one as it is. What you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure you plug in your affiliate link for each income stream. So in every single step, as you see here, there's an income stream in the income multiplier step, in the system setup step, in the email follow-up step, and the traffic method step as well. So there's 4 different income streams, and you want to make sure you plug in your affiliate links, and we're going to do that right now. So you remember that notepad that we set up, right? This is going to come in handy because we want to plug in our MCA link. So all you want to do is you just want to right click and you want to copy that link, right? You want to copy that link, and then you're just going to click on the button. All right, that's all you need to do. Just click on the button, and under set action, right, what you want to do is where it says 6-figure dream life, this is my link, right? So if yours says this, you haven't changed your link yet. So you want to double click this, you want to highlight it, you want to delete that link, and you want to paste in your affiliate link, right? You want to paste in that TVC Matrix affiliate link so that you can start getting those signups. I'm not going to do that because it'll mess with my system, but you want to make sure you plug in your MCA affiliate link. Now, another way to double check that it is set up properly is you see this little black box at the bottom where it says, you see where it still says 6-figure dream life, right? You want to make sure that that little black box says your affiliate link. Now, once you've done that, you want to make sure you click on save and save the page so that your affiliate link is now saved. Now, before you leave this page, you want to make sure that you change out these 4 boxes. Now, you remember where we grabbed our 4 steps of the system, right? Inside of every step, you want to change out these links. So again, you're going to click on the image, right? For step number 1, you see where it says my affiliate link right here, and then it says income multiplier. You want to actually go ahead, you want to grab step number 1, right? You want to copy step number 1, and you want to paste it into this link where it says link URL. Then you want to exit out of that, and you want to do the same for step number 2, right? You're going to grab where it says DFY system. You're going to grab your affiliate link or your system link for step number 2, right? You're going to copy that, and you're going to do this for all 4 steps. You want to make sure that the navigation bar, right? This is your navigation bar. You want to make sure that this is step number 1, this is step number 2, this is step number 3, and this is step number 4. So those 4 links that we grabbed right here, right? You want to plug all of those links into the corresponding boxes. Now, once you've done that, you want to click on save, and you want to make sure that you save that page. And now, once you've done that, I want you to make sure you do this for every single page. You want to click on preview, and you want to click on all of the buttons. You want to make sure all of the buttons go where you want them to go. Okay, if you look up in the top little navigation bar, when I click on this button right here, you see where it says Dylan DeFazio Marketing, right? You want to make sure that that says your username or your system is not going to work properly. You want to make sure that when you click this button, right, it goes to your ClickFunnels account, not my ClickFunnels account. And when you click on, when it says copy this done for you system, or when you click on your Aweber buttons, you want to make sure all of the buttons inside of this system go to your affiliate links. I can't stress that enough. I want to make sure that you guys are earning commissions for all of the sales and all of the traffic that is coming through the system. So once you've done that, we want to exit out, and we have step number 1 complete. Okay, so we have step number 1. We have our MCA affiliate link set up for the income multiplier step. Okay, so in step number 2, what we want to do is we want to go under system setup, and we want to do the exact same thing. So we want to log in and we want to edit our page, right? The top navigation bar, we want to go under, step number 1. We want to grab our notepad. We want to, let me just pull it up here. We want to grab step number 1 and we want to paste that link into this link URL, right? You want to do the same for all 4 steps again. Make sure that you do this for all 4 pages. You want to go in and edit every single page and make sure that all of the navigation buttons for every single page go to your links. Okay. Now, when you're doing your ClickFunnels affiliate button, right? This is going to be so that you earn from the ClickFunnels affiliate platform. So all you got to do is click this button right here, and you want to set action, and then you want to, you see where it says my affiliate link here. You want to go under your notepads. You want to grab your share link that we got from ClickFunnels. You want to copy that, and you want to paste in that affiliate link right there. Okay, so you want to make sure that that says your affiliate link. Now, once you've changed out the 4 buttons in the navigation and you've set up your share funnel link, you want to click on save, and then we're done for this step. In video number 3, I'm going to show you how to set up your Aweber affiliate link and your email follow-up. And in video number 4, I'm going to show you how to set up your Udemy affiliate link and start getting some traffic to this system. So go ahead, edit all of the navigation buttons, and then once you have done so, what you want to do is you want to click over where it says your profile, and you want to go down to affiliates. Okay, so you want to make sure that you send in your affiliate information so that you can start getting paid. If you don't do this, don't worry, you're still going to get commissions, you're still going to get your payments, but it just won't be withdrawn until you send in your tax information. So as you guys see here, you can earn some pretty decent cash. I haven't been actively promoting ClickFunnels until I set up this system. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you plug in your affiliate links. You can start earning some commissions. It is about $38 per sign up, so that can add up very, very quickly. As you see here with only 2 members, that's $80 per month in residual income, and I do have a couple of people trialing right now. So this can add up very quickly, and with this Supercharged success system, it is all on complete autopilot. So go ahead, set up your affiliate links, and then I want you to head over to video number 3, where we're going to go ahead and set up our email follow-up sequence.